Many people in the world today have become mind-dominated and will not just accept anything just because the priest or the preacher man said so. What then is Christmas? Ordinarily, Christmas is a day to remember and celebrate the birth of Jesus. It is both a religious event and a cultural event. But none of the synoptic gospels mention that 25th December is the birthday of Jesus. Records have it that it was Julius Africanus who identified the day. Historically, the day was a festive occasion in the Roman Empire that was linked to the winter solstice, 21st December, being a symbol of the sun after overcoming winter to bring the new seasons of spring and summer. Christianity, after being accepted by the Roman Empire, adopted the concept and practice of linking the rebirth of the sun and the birth of Jesus. This acceptance has brought much division to Christendom. Whereas some churches agreed to celebrate the occasion, others rejected it, describing it as non-biblical. Here is the spiritual truth, and we are saying this on our platform. All world saviors, including Jesus of Nazareth, are born on the longest and darkest night of the year, the night between the 24th and 25th of December. That is the fact. You know it or you don't know it. Christmas is not only the birth of the holy person called Jesus of Nazareth, but spiritually, the birth of the great light of the world called Christ. It is also the birth or anticipation of the birth of the Christ within the individual, the true Christian. And we are going to give details of this. So we look at Christmas from three different perspectives. One is the celebration of the holiest person, Jesus of Nazareth. Second, the birth of the Christ. And third, the birth of Christ in the individual, within the individual. That is what Christmas stands for. Let us talk about the Son God.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it can build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.